Learn from the market leaders. Effective advertising strategy instances. Let's take a little break from researching, as well as consider some motivation to keep you motivated in your procedure. Here are a few household names that have achieved their organization goals thanks to typical preparation. Twitch. Focused on your area photo of a Twitch logo on a smartphone market pattern. Resources. Unsplash. When Twitch, a video clip streaming service, began, it had quite a big footwear to load, with daunting names like YouTube, Instagram, as well as other services supplying live streams from currently developed online stars. There was a great deal of space for the future. However, instead of targeting simply anybody that wanted an audience, Twitch tightened its target audience to a particular niche. Despite the fact that gameplay videos were already preferred on YouTube, Twitch determined to make it much more fun by concentrating on the online experience. Concentrating on video clip gamers particularly was because of the quick development of the gamer neighborhood appeal. Twitch's included worth as a streaming service was a feeling of togetherness. Their official brand declaration claims that Twitch is where numerous people integrate lives on a daily basis to chat, engage, and make their own entertainment with each other. Yes, the Twitch customer base has actually grown out of just players and individuals that like to watch gameplay. However, the niche advertising method, as well as the community focus technique, are what aided Jerk to stay afloat amongst rivals. Their marketing approach is evidence that specifying a target market instead of concentrating on any individual and also everybody is important to remain in service. Nike's values come first. Nike's advertising methods increase their value proposition. Source from Nike. Enjoyable truth. Did you know that Nike actually began thanks to an old waffle iron? After the firm's creators a light bulb minute to incorporate the waffle grooves right into running footwear, it became a stable brand name in the sports community, specifically amongst professional joggers. However, that was then. Thanks to today's cultural change in the direction of a much more inclusive culture and also offering level playing fields to everyone, Nike has in the past few years altered its advertising and marketing approach and also relocated in the direction of worth as opposed to simply featuring sports activities all-stars. Simply think about their current mission declaration. In brackets, if you have a body, you are a professional athlete. This was a strategic approach that not just created a much more nice brand identification in the younger generation, it additionally widened their target market. To sum up, Nike should teach you that flexibility in products as well as advertising techniques is essential to your business growth and what will make your brand name timeless. Red Bull, targeting as well as material, is king. Red Bull content advertising and marketing strategy with inbound advertising and marketing. The source came from Red Bull. Red Bull is also a tale of innovation and also targeting a detailed market. It started out in a hard area back in 1987 when the production was first released. Energy drinks weren't truly a point as well as advertising and marketing. Funds weren't as accessible as they are now. So rather than go the typical marketing route, Red Bull merely went straight to its target market, males aged 18 to 35. As well as I indicated, essentially, Red Bull would see occasions, frat events, bars, and also various other locations, and also give out complimentary cans of their beverage. As a result, word of mouth spread instantaneously, and also the business quickly boosted its brand name awareness. Today, Red Bull concentrates much less on offering a power drink to anyone that requires a little boost, as well as a lot more on invigorating their target audience with motivating web contents. Videos, blog posts, and other content streams that cover energy-seeking experiences and individuals who never ever stop are their emphasis. Red Bull's content consists of extreme sports occasions, astonishing stunts, and also even videos. This marketing strategy, centered on high-value, motivating web content, is additionally known as incoming advertising and marketing. Consider ways you can apply this into your own advertising methods also. Definition: try to be where your target market is, perhaps not in an actual real-life feeling, yet do your study on your audience's preferred media channels, as well as produce material that vibrates with your individual. I hope you picked a few pointers up from this. If you like my video, please press the like button below. Press the bell up top and press all, and you'll get information when I put another video on the YouTube. Press the bell above and all, and you will get informed when I do another YouTube video. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching, and I hope you come back soon. Cheerio.